Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, we've got good news and bad news for this weekend. Good news are that we're gonna fix Fenix for the next race instead of using the new bike. The reason that I made this decision is because Fenix is ready to race, meaning that she has all the parts and all the accessories as well as safe wiring, all the stuff for the race, as opposed to needs to do everything on the new chassis and the new bike, which would take more than 2 weeks. Plus, to fix Fenix, we just have to go through the forks, fairings, and then I will just open the airbox and all the stuff just to make sure that everything is running smoothly and check if we still have performance, but I think we're pretty good to go. As for the fairings, I've got all the kits. I will show you guys what we've got from Fiberglass New Zealand, and we're gonna fix all the fairings. But I've got a bad surprise today when I was going to take the bike out of the garage. I'm gonna show you guys, just a second. So yeah, when I got here, I was about to take the bike out and then start working on it. I already put the oil pan here, but if you guys check under it, there's a lot of oil, meaning that the bike is leaking oil from somewhere in the block. I can't show from here, but when I take the bike out, I'm gonna have a better idea. That is unfortunate. Yeah, you guys saw the engine is leaking. I don't know where from. Should be something easy to fix. Maybe we can put some high temperature sealant in there or something like that. But as for the fairings, the main piece that is broken is the tail. And I've got this part here, which is the seat and the connection for the tail. I can glue them, use like kind of epoxy, and then fiberglass from under it. So I'm gonna put sheets of fiberglass in here that I've got from the shop. Okay, and this guy should be good to go. We've also got some engine case and the engine covers, few from the extractor, from the clutch, a few random parts. Yeah, so we are inside now. I will show you guys the piece that we've got from New Zealand Fiberglass. So we've got this box here and this roll. So I bought 10 meters roll of chop strand fiberglass. Okay, and inside here, let's see, kind of an unboxing. So we've got the peel ply, which is to put on top of the fiberglass and leave it a nice finishing instead of all the chops like crazy. We've got the normal fiberglass cloth for not curved surface. In here we have the PVA, the partial film, which goes in between the wax on the mold and the gel coat, make it easy to peel. So I've got this guy here, which is the wax. We're gonna be waxing all the molds. Some safety, which is like masks, as well as brushes. And the main one, oh, just a second. Yeah, I can't do it with my hand. Done. So in here, we've got 4 liters of resin and 4 liters of gel coat. So, and all with the hardness here and hardness here. There you go. This is the kit that we've got. And the fairings, this guy here, I will just do some resin over it. Don't need to go crazy on it. As well as those parts. I don't need to make the bike look cool. I just need to make it work. That's it for today. I will keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? Another day, and hope to finish a few things on Fenix before the race. So today is the last Saturday before the race weekend. So I'm planning on getting everything ready to go. I will paint the tank. I will just make a few things smoother and get the bike running. I will show you what we're gonna do today, and come with me. So yeah, this is Fenix. First thing to do is clean the bike. A lot of dirt from the crash still. I'm gonna fix this part here with some fiberglass and resin, okay, to remove this. I will attempt to get the other bit to bolt down there. I'm gonna put some resin in here. In order to fix the tank, I will drain all the gas that we have, sand all those guys that are peeling, and here apply some primer in order to prevent rust. Okay, I didn't find the bolt to go through here, but I will find this week. Apart from that, it's just fixing the fairings, making sure that everything is nice and tight, change the oil, and yeah, let's go. We've removed all the tanks from both bikes, trying to see if it is cross compatible, and we've got our friend here, Nick, the pit crew guy, our mechanic. He's helping us today. So we've checked the air filter, it's good, injectors cleaned, spark plugs good, and the new bike, we've checked that we do have K&N filter here, which is a good sign. This bike has variable valving, which is gonna be perfect when we do the tune on the ACU on this bike at some stage. So Nick now is gonna help and do the brake oil, the brake fluid change for us. We've done the sealant on the block that was leaking. From there, what we're gonna do is we'll take the other tank, try to fit it here. If not, we've got some primer to fix this guy. So we're gonna get primer all the way here to prevent rust. I will keep you guys updated. Let's go. Hey guys, what a cool day today. Nick and I, we've achieved a lot. I'm gonna show you guys what we've done. Yeah, we've made the tank fit, so it's good.
We've got the dents out.
We've got the dent out. Now we've rubbed the tank from the new bike to Fenix. Changed oil, done all the leaks, all the stuff, and yeah, we are attempting to just mask the damage on this old tank. So if it is good, I'm just gonna work on this tank for the next race, just to have a bit of farewell in Fenix. Hey guys, another day here. Yesterday we did a lot of work on the bike, and today I will show you what is missing, what we need to do to finish. So we've got the new tank installed, but I did kind of refresh the old one, and I will try to put it back and race the old tank. I'm gonna remove this guy here to take the tail off, just to fix these parts and few missing things. I will show you guys the tank now. So this is the tank. We did sand it a little bit, and I've applied some primer in order to make it a little bit better. And we've removed the red stripe. I just left something here just for kind of character. Yeah, it's already looking way better. See, I've put the tank back, the original one, all the covers, cleaned the bike, all the leftover from the crash, all the dirt. So this is the repair side. I'm gonna find a way to bring this guy there a little bit, but the tank is smashed in here, so it doesn't give me the clearance to bring this guy down there, and it's forcing a little bit the mounting here. But overall it's looking way better after the quick primer job. We've got the gloss, the flat white primer, which is a primer and a base coat at the same time. So yeah, overall looking good. Just have to find a bolt for this guy here, and which bolts the steering damper there. See, another update. Yeah. So we've got here the seat glued. So we've used Airdyte to finish this guy. So it's a heavy one. So we've got it glued. This part here also glued. I'm gonna do the tail. You can see the piece in there. We've cleaned the belly pan. We're gonna repair this part here inside, and the wings. This one here is good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of resin in here, and this part here is already fixed. You guys can see it's reshaped. I will show you Fenix now. There you go. Fenix is taking form. Emma is polishing all the parts for us. So she did the tank protector. But yeah, Fenix is looking really good. We've got another windscreen on her. There you go. It's looking really nice. I've done the repair on this nut here. There you go. It's getting there. Almost there.